Hey guys, what's up? It's the Lucky Cuber. In this video, I have an unboxing from Speedy Cube Shop, so let's get right into it. Let's see if I can guy through it. Ooh, no! In here, we should have my Cosmic Chew-On. Okay, so we have that. We have this very nice handwritten letter. This letter, it's really nice. Receipt and things inside. So we have a Cosmic Chew-On and business card. So get into the actual cube itself. So I did get the bright shades, which I meant to get full brights, but oh well. So this is the Cosmic Magnetic Chew-On with the beautiful Cosmic logo. So let's get into first ones. It's so quiet. I could use this as my main if, yeah. It's kind of tight, but yeah, I really like this. The magnets give it a subtle bump. I told them to make it awesome. It's not super overly lubed and gummy like other people's are. Corner cutting. Yeah, I love this. I did get the full fitted bright shades. I'm not a fan of the green. But overall it's okay. Shades. Actually do a solve on it. There's like minimum lube, like I can't even feel any lube on it. Okay. I haven't done a 2x2 solve in a while. Sorry for me being bad. Okay, so it's really quiet. I don't know if you can hear that. Like, you can't really hear anything, so I will be using this Nebula and other things. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.